Hey there, we're the Markhams, Chris, Andrea, and our adventure dog, Emmy. We're combat veterans who met in Afghanistan, sold our house after 7 amazing years, and now we're hitting the road to explore every corner of America. From stunning national parks to hidden caves, we're on a non-stop adventure, making memories and chasing sunsets. Set off on an unforgettable adventure across America with us and our dog, Emmy. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any moments. Our Texas license plates for the truck actually showed up before our driver's licenses did, and we couldn't have been more excited to get them on. There's just something about seeing those Texas plates on the truck that makes it feel finally official. While we were celebrating that little milestone, Andrea picked up a new skill too. One of our friends in the park showed her how to make a proper old-fashioned, and Chris was more than happy to be the taste tester. His review? Absolutely delicious. You are live in the city of Alamo, Texas. What do we got?
As an RV tech, I run up on a lot of RVs that are not taken care of properly. I know a thing or two about needing to protect your investment.
Yep.
So we have a Gen-Y Executive Gooseneck, and they recently came out with a
Hitch cover.
Yep. Protective covering, and of course we jumped right on it because we need to protect that baby. That's the lifeline basically of our camper, besides, you know, axles and wheels.
It is very important on travel days.
Very important.
You ain't moving if it ain't working.
And we learned when we brought our camper into the factory that we need to keep stuff out of the torsion area of the hitch when it's not being used. So dirt, debris, etc.
All those fine little particles get up in where the, I'm not sure the exact term, the rubber
torsion
of
bars.
The torsion. And we learned that it doesn't take very long for it to make a difference. So.
Yep. Oh, that was easily corrected, but it was scary at the moment. And this little baby is going to prevent that from in the future, whether we have our camper parked for an extended period, short period.
Anytime it's parked.
Anytime it's parked.
Yep.
Just slip the baby on, and
also prevents birds from nesting, and we all know spring is upon us.
Yes.
Our favorite time of year.
Yeah, we love battling birds. I think we have a video of birds coming out of our pin box once.
Yes, we've never had a nest, but we have seen them trying to build, and
usually we use pool noodles.
Yep. It's kind of hard though with this executive.
Yeah.
You can't use pool noodles. So when we saw that they finally came out with it, we were like, this solves our problems.
Yeehaw!
Let's open it.
Awesome box cutter, by the way. Now the shipping on this was super fast, so just in case anyone's wondering, they ship very fast. I think Gen-Y's always been really good at that.
They're awesome to work with. We reached out to Noah, who we did our tour with when we went to the Gen-Y factory, and he's also who we worked with when we had the issue with the particles from the factory getting into our torsion flex area. He was able to help us solve it.
Chisholm.
He was able to help us solve it, and then we reached back out to him about this, and he got us in contact with Callan, who is also great to work with.
I'm exploring. So you can get directly to the latch from the bottom when it's on there. That's Velcro.
Nice.
It's nice Velcro. It's got a Velcro latch, I guess. Strong, big zipper.
Nice zipper.
Thick zipper for putting it on, and then what do you call this thing?
Buckle.
A buckle for when it's actually on the hitch to secure it, as well as elastic to kind of
go around it.
Suck around it.
Exciting.
I like it.
I can't wait.
I like that it's padded, so if I smack my head on
Yep.
it.
It's got their nice little stitched logo on it on both sides, so people still know the brand of the hitch, which is awesome.
We'll still be getting questions about our hitch. So I'm not good with technicalities or anything like that, technical words, but we're going to slide her on and get it set up. It's a real easy setup. It slides right over the latch and everything. The elastic sucks right into the pin box. Even little Andrea, I'd zip it.
Oh wait, gotta do this? Or zip first?
I'd zip some first.
Zip some first. There we go.
Yep, then you get it kind of, it'll take some of that elastic. Zip her up.
All right.
Oh, beautiful. Well, you got it zipped up better than I did. But it literally protects everything. The electric's all protected, the pin box is protected,
the chains,
the goose box is protected, the chain's protected. Nothing's going to get inside the torsion area or the latch mechanism.
Yep.
You can easily access to make, like, lube the latch and everything. Or it's beautiful. It's perfect. It's padded. Not going to smack my head and dent it any more than I have already. My head, not the hitch, obviously.
I think it's a good accessory to have to protect your investment because these hitches are not cheap.
No.
And should a bird or something get in there, you know, mice, it keeps everything out. It protects your wiring, protects your chains, protects your electrical cord, your safety cord.
Yep.
I mean, it protects everything. So
literally, I'm excited about it. It looks good with the camper.
I'm very happy with it.
This thing sits super flush up to the top.
Yep.
Top of the pin box. I don't know what you want to call
bottom of the front cap.
Bottom of the front cap, yeah. The elastic on it is super strong. It was pulling me back as I was tightening the back of it. Fought me on the zipper, so you know that this is going to actually sit tight.
Yep.
It's amazing. We have the chains all up in here. The pin box, obviously. It's solid right up to here, so you know nothing's getting in. It's a beautiful fit.
So this is what he's talking about with the elastic all the way around the top.
Yes.
Like a little bungee cord in there.
Latches up there real nice.
Yep.
And then what I really like also is that it's got this access point in the bottom where you can get up into the latch and all that. So taking it off should be fairly simple. Undo the Velcro latch, undo the zipper.
And then
there's this buckle in here that comes around the front to help hold it, I don't know, together.
Yep. So this is where the buckle comes through right here.
And that helps secure it to the pin box.
Yep.
And then basically it just kind of slides back down. And you're able to access your hitch, hook up, all that stuff again.
It's a nice product they made.
Yeah. I love the foam protection. I love how strong the zipper and the Velcro is. And we have our goose box painted.
Yep.
So we really want to protect that because it's not cheap to have it match paint
matched
to match your pin box and camper and all that. So this is going to help huge with that, with UV protection and weather protection in general, wear and tear of sitting, and it's a cool product. I'm really excited about this. The Texas heat and sun is going to stay off of it, and I'm happy about that. Emmy's walking herself, basically. I don't know where we're going. She likes walking on the seashells, though. I just stepped on one and it was sharp. She's driving or walking away. It's finally going back to the family. Andrea is in seashell heaven over here. It's just piles and piles of seashells from the tide. Windy. It's Mike's birthday, Andrea's uncle. Free foot videos.
While we were exploring the area, we decided to take Emmy for a drive out to Starbase in Boca Chica. It's pretty wild seeing the SpaceX test rocket up close in person. We cruised around the area, checked out the rocket sitting there for testing, and even got a look at the launch pad they're rebuilding. Emmy didn't seem too impressed with the rockets, but we definitely were. Thanks for joining us on another adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button so you don't miss any of the fun. See you next time.